Hello, this is Mrs. Herman. Say, I just really quickly went through and literally just chose random answers so I could get to the end of the math practice test for the MCAs, just to show you what I want you to do when you get to the end of the practice MCA tests. Okay, so even with just guessing, I got 7 out of 33, so that's kind of funny. I will want to see much more than that from you guys because you will actually work out each problem, okay? So when you get to this area, you can actually see here um, kind of a review of the sections that you went through. There's 3 sections, a total of 33 questions, okay? What I want you to do so that you can send me your evidence is you're going to go to print this page. Now you have 2 different options as far as printing this page. You can literally print it out if you want and then scan and email it into me, but really that's not necessary. All of your computers should have in the printer option the ability to go from print to PDF. So that's what I would actually like you to do is I would like you to go ahead and convert it into a PDF for me actually, okay? So for example, if I were to go into, I have a folder actually called MCAs. So let me go ahead and go to that. And then I'm going to go ahead and print this. I'm going to label it my name, MCA math practice test results or something like that, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and click save on that. And then it will actually be a PDF document that you can now attach to an email to me, okay? And you're going to do this for math and you're going to do this for reading. Thank you very much.